Welcome to Ksolves Odoo Shopify Connector. In this video, you will learn how to export order from Odoo to Shopify. Head over to Sales module. Click New. Select a customer. Select Products. Select Quantity and Price as required. You can also set the discount for the product and order. Click Save. Now head over to Shopify Info tab. Select the instance in which you want to export the order. Click Save. Now click on Export Order. Click OK. Now Ksolves have been created for the orders to sync with Shopify. Head over to Shopify Connector. Click on Logs, Ksolves. As you can see, the related Ksolves has been created. Wait for the Ksolves to process automatically, or you can process them manually. As you can see, the related Ksolves has been created and processed. Head over to Shopify. Refresh the orders page. As you can see, the related order has been exported from Odoo to Shopify with the required details as configured. Now head over back to Odoo. Click on Instance. If you want to export orders from Odoo to Shopify as soon as they are created, open the configuration and select Order in AutoSync event. By selecting this, the orders will be exported from Odoo to Shopify as soon as they are created on Odoo. Contact us at sales@ksolves.com or visit the Odoo App Store to start your free trial today. We will be sharing more feature videos on the same. Thank you for watching.